In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can connect to this network. So let's get started. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply look for network and internet. And here you have to click on your Wi-Fi, click on this arrow. And here you'll find the option Manage Node Networks, Add, Remove, and Edit Networks. So here you have to look for the network connection that you are having a trouble with. So I am having a trouble with this network connection. So you have to click on this Forget button. So once you click on the Forget button, then you have to close this window and click on the Wi-Fi icon right here on your taskbar, and then you have to locate the connection that you have forget the password, and then you have to click on it and re-enter the password. Okay, so once you have re-entered the password, you will be connected again into that network. Next method is that we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl and click on it, control panel item, and this network connections window will appear from here. So locate your Wi-Fi and then simply look at the options at the top. You'll find this option Diagnose this connection. Click on that. So once you click on Diagnose this connection, this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing with your Wi-Fi. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue, and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So you just need to follow its recommendations and suggestions. So in my case, there is no problem with it. But in your case, you will fix the issue once you follow the recommendations for it. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.